and year of study. It is the day when we students can say, success when I've done it. It is an important milestone in our life, and today we gather to celebrate success. To our distinguished guests who will be introduced later, our school directors, Teacher Nazaka Garfield, and to our school administrator, Sir Danilo Garfield, the teachers, as well as the non-teaching staff, to the parents, and to my fellow students. A pleasant morning. Each Recognition Day is not an end but a new beginning, a time when we reap what we have planted throughout the year and harvest the fruit of our hardships, struggles, and faith. They say losing is not always a defeat, and winning is not always a victory. Today, not everybody may have made it to the top, but those who did are the ones called cream of the crop. So to our honorees, congratulations. May your shining example continue to inspire and inspire the youth of today in their continuous quest for academic excellence. To those who weren't able to make it, do not despair. Keep trying and study harder, for you will have your time. There is always a reason why things turn out to be, and sometimes they're beyond our control. What's important is you did your best, and I congratulate everyone for trying. To the parents and guardians who have worked so hard and give their best to their children, no matter how hard life is, hats off. And to the teachers who have done their tremendous task, a job well done. In